Hi there, this is Luis and welcome to my channel. Let's continue with the C++ series. Let's talk about coding environment, and we're going to talk about the benefits of using Visual Studio for C++ development. If you are a C++ development or interested in learning C++, it's a powerful and use integrated development environment with comprehensive debugging tools like breakpoints, quash windows, and call stack analysis make it easy to identify and resolve issues with a rich set of libraries with pre-built code for common tasks, reducing the amount of code you need to write from scratch, and cross-platform development that can be compiled and run on multiple platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and also with a strong community support. Now, let's move on to the installation process. We check on Visual Studio on Google, and then we hit on downloads, and we need to choose the edition of Visual Studio that suits for your needs. In this case, the Visual Studio Community Edition. Okay. Eric. Okay, we open the installer, and then as you can see, you can do a lot with Visual Studio. We need to select the workbench, okay, and the individual components you are interested in. We can uncheck this, and that, and then we can check all of this. Forget development and this one. Okay. Then we can launch Visual Studio Max. Okay. Now we create a new project from scratch, empty project. Next, we can call it whatever you want here. And that's it. We create. Now, if you from this application, it comes with an error because we got an empty file. We need to create inside the source file. Okay. In this case, we add a new item, and you can call it whatever you want. .cpp. Okay. And we just simply add it. Yeah. Okay. The first step is to include iostream. Include is a preprocessor directive that includes the iostream header file in your C++ program. Okay. The iostream header is part of the C++ standard library and provides functionality for input and output operations, such as reading from and writing to the standard input-output stream. Then we just hit int main. It's the entry point for a C++ program. It's a special function called the main function that serves as the starting point of execution for a C++ program. Inside, we just hit std_cout. It's an object in C++ that represents the standard output stream, okay? After that, think of this of operators, and you can write the program you want to, the script you want to console out. Fine. After that, we just hit end of line, and don't forget to put the semicolon as well. Okay. Now at the end, we just hit return 0. Okay, for the main function, and save it. You can hit Control Save. Okay, now on the menu, as you can see, you can start debugging or Control F5. And there you are. This is your first program. You can close the window, and that's it.